Welcome back to the Electrician's Tool Channel. Today let's talk about my SOUTHWIRE clamp meter, model number 23070T, T as in Tommy. This is the Maintenance Pro Series. They've been out with this model for a number of years now. And I've been having it since the day, I don't want to say it's the day they came out with it, but I've been having it for a number of years. I've done a review on this clamp meter once before, but I don't know if I did it enough justice or not. But I thought it should be at least talked about again because I don't really see any videos on it at all on YouTube. Now, with that being said, SOUTHWIRE, they sell this meter, but they're not the original makers of this meter. The original makers of this meter is a company called SIM. Some of you may have heard of it. When I say SIM, it's CEM. They make multimeters, all kind of other instruments that's on the market. And I think like they make, just say multimeters, the color of their multi like a bluish type, But anyway, SIM. And this is a very nice multimeter. I don't have any other products by SOUTHWIRE. Not saying that their products are bad, but I just don't have any other products by them. SOUTHWIRE, this clamp meter here is also featured pack. I try to review only the best of the best multimeters and clamp meters and test instruments and also hand tools on my channel. I will not buy anything that's cheap. It's a waste of money. So, and then it's a waste of time for me to try to, something you already know it's a piece of junk. So I wouldn't waste my time doing a review on it. So if you see it on my channel, you can best believe that it's us. Now I have had stuff that's not high quality before, but you can count it on one finger. If so, probably just one finger. I'm saying, I'll count it on one hand. I'm sorry, but it's probably just one or two things that we've talked about that wasn't high quality. Anyway, this clamp meter here, and pardon me if you keep hearing me say multimeter because I do videos on multimeters a lot, and I don't know why I'm always defaulting back to multimeters, but anyway, this clamp meter is it's a very nice clamp meter. As far as the build quality, it's very nice. It's not cheaply built. It's not all light and hollow feeling. Those cheap clamp meters, then cheap testers that feel hollow in the inside. And sometimes you might get these guys on YouTube telling you how nice they are and this and that. Well, I'm not getting paid for this, so I'm gonna tell you the truth. This stuff, if it's bad, it's bad. If it's good, it's good. I'm gonna give you an unbiased review. I believe in telling you the truth because I want somebody to tell me the truth. Okay. Well, anyway, this clamp meter, and pardon me if the video is kind of shaking a little bit. I'm recording with my camera, but let you take a look at some of the features on here, so you will see. Let's start with have AC volts, hertz, DC volts, resistance, continuity, diode, capacitance, hertz, duty cycle, temperature is rated 600 amp, AC DC to 1000 amp DC amps DC AC DC. You have a non-contact voltage detector. You have a hold button, a backlight. Let me let you check out this backlight. I like it. Look at that backlight, y'all. Back up so you can see it. It's evenly lit. The numeric font, as well as the lettering, is nice and is large enough that you can read it without straining your eyes. And you have what else? On the side of it here, you have even a flashlight, and we get to that in a moment. You have a flashlight. It's up in the top. You see the back there, and it's a very bright flashlight, and it's true RMS, as you see. True RMS, 1000 amp AC DC. This is a very nice clamp meter. Again, I say so it's well built. even though the test leads are really nice, it's not the highest grade, but it's not the lowest grade either. They're usable, and it's in the middle, medium. So it's in the middle. But the bag also is made of that Cordura type material. It's a bag that's suited for this. Myself, I like to have the even though I'm just gonna keep this bag, but I like to have the bag if I made the kind of zipper all the way around the side where you can just flap it open and put your meter in, and I can put my test lead and whatever else I want to put in that bag. But this is a very nice bag, and the clamp meter itself is very nice. So, well, let me pause for a minute to let you guys know, if this is your first time viewing my channel, for those of you who have subscribed, I want to tell you thank you, and I appreciate that you're hanging in there with me. Thank you for all your support. And if this is your first time viewing my channel and you like what you see so far, or you may have seen one of my other videos and you like that and now you're back again, I'm going to ask you, while you're watching the video, to subscribe to the channel in support of the channel, and it's for free. I'm asking you to do that. Just support the channel. That's all. Support the channel. Hit that like button. And if you hit the like button, I also want you to hit the subscribe button. There's a bell on the side of the subscribe button. Touch that. The window will open up. Then hit all. I'm telling you that because you'll receive notification when I'm releasing one of my newest videos or my up and coming videos, and to put you in rotation of all of my past videos, as well as so you'll always be in the know. Again, I'm telling you, just do that for in support of the channel, and it's for free. So just want to tell y'all guys that let's move on. Also, look at the features here. You have a mode button, which would put it through different type modes. You have a min-max button, you have a relativity button, and you have that's the hertz and the percentage duty factor right there. Yeah, so this clamp meter, and it feels solid, very solid. So I don't have anything bad at all to say. In fact, before I close, because I have it propped up in a way, and I don't want it to. It was hard to get me. It was hard to get to stand up like this. So when I do, I want to show you the backlight. But if I know I show you that, I won't be able to stand it up again. So that'll be toward the end of the video. But this is a very nice clamp meter. I can't tell you that enough. I don't want to hold you guys up and just jibber jabbing. But if you run across a clamp meter like this by SOUTHWIRE, and the price is right, and is in good condition, get it. I would get it. I've compared it with other clamp meters before. If you want, you can check my videos, one of my past videos. I can't remember, it's been so long ago, I can't remember what video it was and which meter that I compared it to, but it held its own. I can tell you that much. It held its own. So you're getting a solid test instrument here, and that's that. So I'm about to show you the backlight, and then we'll be closing the video out after that. So let me take it off from here and show you how it looks. Am I pressing the right button? Yeah, I am. Oh no, this is the one on the side. There we go. It's a bright. I'm trying to get you to see it. It's lit up. I mean, it's dark. Wait, hold on. Let me turn the light off, and maybe we can I can show you just how bright it is. It's a bright. Okay, I hope you can see that. It's a nice backlight. I mean, a nice flashlight. So, I gotta get it to hold up again. It may fall on me. But anyway, you guys can't go wrong with this. So, guys, that's all for the video now. So I'm gonna ask you, to meet me back here again when I review another one of my test instruments. But until next time, you guys take care and be safe out there. Okay? See you later.